This is actually real. We're going upstairs. What? Don't bring a binocular.
Because I can zoom into the tunnel.
Yeah. Let's go. This is our chance to get my hunger. It's actually like half.
This way.
This way. Okay. Be quiet.
There's 4 more minutes.
Yeah, I think so. You must be quiet the most because the people are sleeping or they are upstairs instead. I'm tough to be. Okay. 11:56. And we only have 4 more minutes.
Dude, look all these elevator activities.
Dude, what? I don't want this going T4. See that? That's the top floor right there. It's the top floor.
Look, there's fireworks. I know they'll make small fireworks. There's a
Small firework.
It's a small firework. But it's just for
Yes, not from it.
I hope there's not more explosive than this.
We only have 4 more minutes. That
No,
means
3 more minutes now.
3 more?
Saturday, December 31, so you can trust me now.
Yeah. It's going to be insane. We're going on the top floor. There's going to be a lot of people celebrating for the New Year's because the New Year is a special year.
2023. World Cup will be at 2026.
21. Literally high.
There's people up here.
There's people. Yeah. You can see really a lot because he has a flashlight. Yeah, still a lot of people.
Oh, warning. If you see a person like that, I'm not turning on the flashlight right now. Yeah, literally 1 more minute.
What?
Không có coi bao nhiêu giây nữa.
What?
Giờ còn bao nhiêu giây nữa thôi.
What?
Tắt cái chút đi.
Few seconds, can I see?
No. It's like 59 now. See here? Okay.
What?
30 giây. 30 giây nữa.
What? Why you say that?
Say that
30
for everyone.
seconds?
30 seconds.
Oh my god. This is going to be our best year.
Okay.
Best year.
Okay.
It's ready.
15 seconds.
14.
15 giây.
Turn.
10, 9, 8, 7,
1, 3, 2, 1. Yo! What? Okay. What? There it is. Where's it? Yes. Oh my god. New Year's Eve. That's the craziest New Year's Eve. Look at that beauty. It just reached. Whoa. Actually, this. What? Over here? What? Where is it? Where's it? Where is it? There's a firework again. What? Never way. No way. Our second fire. Let's go.
Đi lên cái hầm mà đường hầm kia đi.
See that? Beauty. That's straight beautiness. Which one? This one's smaller? Yeah. There is fireworks. So there's fireworks, so we are not wasting time.
Đi mấy.
Look at that! Look at that! Let's go here. What? I can see it.
Biết hả?
Look. Whoa, that's beautiful. Stand up on our chair.
Thấy không?
Yep. Whoa. Fireworks. It's January 1. It's January 1.
2023 now.
2023. Dude, this is definitely my luckiest day. I didn't waste time. That's good. I'm spending 4 hours. Yep. That's a huge one. Oh my goodness. That's a very huge one. Dude. How long will this one start? Oh, that one is beautiful. What? It's getting less.
Thì trước anh coi mà.
What? That's that's the beautifulest thing I've ever seen. That's the beautiful thing. What? What are you doing? You're destroying me here. Let's go. This is the thing I go. Wait.
Secret. Don't drop it.
What?
Kìa.
Why are you talking unbearable their language? That's a beautiful one. New Year's Eve. Now it's 2023. Wow. What a beauty. What a beauty. What is so bright? What is so bright? Let's see the reflection. When speaking unbearable language. That's Happy New Year. This is definitely my luckiest day because I caught 2 fireworks from the New Year's Eve. Yeah, like New Year's Eve, just do every year. I like New Year because they give you a ticket. So let's check if it ends. No, it doesn't end. It doesn't end. Go here for a better view. Go here.
Vớt vào đó có không
What?
được con. Kia.
Oh. What are you doing?
Đúng như con được.
Where's it?
Leo leo leo.
Where's it?
Leo
See
dưới.
it? Oh, climb on chair. Oh yeah. Literally a field, bro. What? I'm holding mom's. Oh, that looks like a ring. Oh, that look good. Dude, let's find a crack. I'm gonna stay here all night. Why there's no like lucky money? Why there's no lucky money? Tell me.
Lucky money. Luna New Zealand. No. Now. Okay.
That one is the biggest one. That one is a big sound. Ooh. That one is literally the greatest one. The greatest one I've ever seen. Yeah, this is just all. See y'all later. Say goodbye.